Your husband found a stairway that he said was like really super clean, like somebody had got in there just recently and...
Yeah, that's what he said. They may have already started remodeling that.
That's what I was saying. This is just a patient's room.
Mm-hmm.
It's got an X on it though. I wonder if
Probably
somebody
the camera's
died.
pointing out that way and stuff.
Did somebody die in here? Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Sometimes I just get feeling heavy and I gotta go.
Yeah. This looks more like some kind of utility room.
Yeah, and I mean...
Yeah, because there's a furnace right there.
That's a bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's like a little water. Huh. Do not. Maybe this is where like the doctors stayed if they had to sleep a little bit. What's that?
Oh, it's raining?
No. What is that?
It's raining and windy. Uh-huh.
I don't...
It's raining out now.
No, honey.
No, it's not.
There's no rain and there is no wind.
There was no rain and wind. Let's go up.
What is that?
I don't know, but it
often
sounded
these
like a
kind of-
gurney. You know, a wheelie thing.
Let's listen.
Open the door. Make the guy do it. Come on, be a man. Open the door. Hello?
Oh my God, it stopped.
Okay, come on.
We
That
all
was
heard that.
freaking
That was
loud.
ridiculously loud.
I hope my camera's still going up there. Hello?
Did that not sound like when you're pushing up, you know, like a bed? You know, the...
Come on. I thought maybe it was raining and...
That would have
like
made...
something,
No,
you
honey,
know?
there's not a drop of rain and there is no wind.
That is the weirdest thing.
Come on.
I hope we caught it on there or on any of our other machines that we got going
It's
because...
not doing... The trees aren't moving an inch.
Did I put a thing upstairs on the third floor too? I think I did, right? A digital recorder? I
I'm
hope I did.
not ready to move from right here though. I gotta...
You're okay. Take your time, honey.
Seriously.
That was so
was-
loud.
I
And
really
then
thought it
it
was
sounded like pouring rain.
pouring
down the other side
rain,
of the
like with
door.
wind, and then maybe there was like
on the
a
other side of the
plastic
door.
sheet going against a window or something. That's kind of what it sounded like, but you're right, like someone
Like
pushing a
burning.
food
Yeah,
tray
it's not
or,
exactly.
or, you know, or a patient thing.
Come on. That was nuts. That was loud.
It was very loud. At first I thought, well, maybe it's a machine. Then I'm like, wait a minute.
There's
no
nothing
electric
here.
here. There's nothing running.
That's what the beeping too. Where is it coming from?
Residual? Is this...
It's
is
probably
residual?
a residual, one of those machines that go to the patient, you know,
That
the
thing
heart and all
Thing
that.
above the doors. You hit the button, didn't they call your nurse?
Yeah,
Because we heard it in the middle at the nurse station where the buzzers are.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Come on.
So this
now.
is...
But I want to know what that was. Because that, like I'm shaking, that was just...
That's creepy because, well, now I'm creeped out because I really thought it was raining.
Yeah, so did
Really?
I.
Oh my God.
But I
And I
knew...
saw traps there, so I'm like, okay, it is, it's raining.
It's just
Yeah.
the humidity on the inside of the windows, not the outside.
No. I mean, the tree, you can look, the trees
But
aren't
it
even
looked like it was
moving.
gonna rain earlier
Yeah.
with the clouds, so
I
thought maybe by now
understand.
it's raining, I don't know.
But I was like, well, if it's raining awfully hard.
so-
Well, we got this machine
How about
going
this?
here.
How about
I
this?
haven't heard anything.
Do we go into the stairwell? If
Well, I opened the door and
It stopped.
it stopped. I mean, it stopped before that, but I opened the door and said, hello, hello. We can go up there for a minute, but I don't have a good feeling right now
I
about
would-
going up.
If I go up there, I'm not going up that stairwell. I don't. I'm dead serious.
I know. That's what I'm just saying. It's like, so do we go there?
Are we supposed to follow the noises?
Well, yes, but we are also supposed to follow our gut.
Yeah,
And I'm
I
not
know.
going up that stairwell right now.
As we walk then, here, I'm just gonna carry the, it's still on and nothing's going yet. And then
That
where's-
was
where's the other
crazy.
smell? He's got that in his.
Yeah, he's got
You
it.
anything else in here?
Yeah.
I wonder if you captured that noise on your camera.
That's what I'm saying, I hope, because she was holding that.
Hold on, I can tell you if I capture it on my
She has a
phone.
recorder, I have a
Turn your
recorder.
phone going.
Oh, what's that? You got your phone?
I had my phone recorder going too.
Awesome. I didn't even think about that.
So let's see. Let's pause it.
And go back about 4
Let's go.
minutes or
Go
so.
back. Yeah, 4 minutes.
I don't,
Help
Help
terrify.
clarify?
That is a
help
ter-
clarify or help terrified?
You need help?
Heart.
Heart.
Heart monitor. The beeping. Baby, I don't know how
Do you
to.
need some help? What was it? Yes. Help. Stairs. Mirror.
I don't know how to.
I need my mask.
Because he said stairs.
That's classic B. I will fart and pee. Okay, totally no.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna do it this way.
Laughing at you at all. We're laughing at
We've never had
ourselves.
this experience
on.
like this before, so
I'm trying.
we're a little nervous. We're sorry.
Oh my
We're not disrespecting you in any way.
No, we understand that you really need help.
Okay, it's after this.
I don't know, ghost hunting does something to my hormones.
That's way after that. Okay.
Are you playing?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Is that it?
Yes.
No, it's after this. Hold on. Because she's talking about. Hold on.
What's going on?
Right now, she's just talking. I'm going to tell you.
This is another stairwell where it's a fire exit. Where you can see stairs.
Help, stairs.
Yeah, that's what he said.
We sure like things.
Oh, right
They've
there.
already started remodeling that.
Right.
Turn your volume up.
My volume is up.
No, it's not going
When she
to.
plugs in, you gotta turn.
Pointing out that way and stuff.
Did somebody die in here?
Is it the electronics?
Okay, it's going to be after this. We're still in there.
Yeah, because there's a furnace right there.
Okay.
Going.
You can hear it.
Yes. You did hear a little bit there.
I caught it.
Awesome.
We caught it.
Do you need help? Is your heart hurting you? Do you need help? Can we help you with some medicine?
Did something happen to you on the stairs? Do you need help?
I think we're all kind of feeling this way right now, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Now I can understand why Aaron makes those funky faces into the camera like,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when he goes, dude.
Yeah.
and why he, after he
Let's walk
experiences
back
fused
here
those
again and
things.
just stand
Okay.
Because you
over
know,
here.
exactly what Zach would do. He would tell Aaron to go into the stairwell.
Yeah, he'd say,
You
go
go
in there
in
and
there.
check it out.
I'm like, no.
I did my part, I kicked the door open.
Yeah, thank you for being a gentleman for me too.
Were you trying to show us something in this stairwell?
Faint talking.
Say it again.
Are you
Faint
hearing
talking.
like faint talking, like it's upstairs or something, like it's a far away talking?
What did it say?
Help something.
Almost like it said aid.
Help aid?
Do you need help? Can you tell us where you are?
Can you tell us what room number you're in so we can come and get you and help you? Can you tell us if you're having some heart issues that you need help with so we know what doctors we need to bring for you?
Viable spider or cricket. Just want to make sure that you don't hurt.
Over there. It scared the hoppy.
I don't like things that hop. They scare the shit out of me.
any bugs.
Was that your body we heard being wheeled down the hallway upstairs?
Or were you pushing the food carts to the patients for lunch? Do you want to go upstairs for 1 minute and see?
Yeah, let's go.
Too. I'm feeling a little better right now.
Yeah.
Go up here?
Yeah, let's go. You
So-
go first. Somebody goes first. I'm going first anymore.
Okay, I gotta,
You okay?
yeah, I just gotta.
This is the one stairwell that goes down to the furniture, right?
Yeah, it goes outside. That's the one that's blocked.
No,
With the furniture, right?
yeah, there's no way that that was a wind.
What is this?
What?
What was that beeping?
The same thing we heard in there. I don't know.
Was that the REM pad downstairs? Because it kind of sounded like it was coming from upstairs.
Yeah, but would we hear that from
Yeah.
We would. I guess we could go down and check on the
No,
candy.
I think it was upstairs. Let's go.
Okay.
What is that?
Oh God. Something was thrown.
What does it say?
Fire exit.
Okay, let's just get out of here. Yes.
Okay.
Get out of here.
Okay, it told us to get the hell out the fire exit, so we're getting the hell out the fire exit. K2?
Are you?
Are you?
K2's not here.
Yeah. No, I think it said, are you? It says something and I said, are you? Okay, we're up on the 3rd floor again. You're
Stairs?
here? Where are you? What room are you in? Let's walk past the camera so I can see what we have going.
Yeah, help.
Help.
Or
You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna put it on the dictionary.